Let's understand JFrog in 2 minutes. We all store our source code in GitHub or GitLab, right? But once all the code is compiled, the build produces artifacts like jar, var, zip, or even Docker images. Where the build go actually after that? Storing and managing these artifacts properly is super important. That's where a manager like JFrog Artifactory comes into play. JFrog Artifactory is what we call as a universal artifact repository manager. Think of it like a GitHub, but for your build outputs instead of your source code. You can store artifacts from tools like Maven, NPM, Docker, Helm, NuGet, you name it, everything is there. Let's understand how JFrog fits into modern DevOps CI/CD pipeline. So everything starts with the developer here. Developer, as soon as it commits the code into Git, the Jenkins pipeline triggers the build, and then once the build is done and the var, jar files or the Docker images are formed, it is then stored into the JFrog Artifactory and simultaneously deployed on the server. Once it is deployed, it is then passed through test and analysis, in which if there is any vulnerability found, then the pipeline fails. But if all the security checks are passed, then it is validated and promoted to higher environments like that of UAT or production directly from the JFrog Artifactory. In this way, it maintains the complete trace, that is from the source code to the deployed artifact.